Hey everyone, how are you? Thanks for clicking in and hanging out with me today. I have my pajamas on and it's gonna be a super comfy video. So sit back and relax and it's gonna be different. I'm skipping the prep and going right in with Kiara Sky's base, building my apex. If you want to see start to finish prep work, I'll link those videos in the description below. When you finish the 3/4 quarter, wipe your nails and you're gonna take your base again. Go from your cuticle down, but be sure not to flood them. So when I do my nails, I usually throw on my favorite TV show or a playlist, and right here I have a playlist on and I'm singing one of my favorite songs, and this is what my dog Marley does when I sing to her. Bye, you're my sunflower. You're my sunflower. Every time I lean in on ya, you don't make it easy, no, yo. Oh my gosh, look at that side eye in the shade. She does this to me every time I sing, and I think it's a sign that I'm not a very good singer. Let me know in the comments if your dogs or pets look at you a funny way if you sing. All right, back to the nails. After the 3/4 quarter, I build up my apex for extra strength. Alright, and I like to wipe my hands off with a rough brush on my palm and then take a makeup brush and wipe the nails off. And here is the fun part, the color. So I am taking Kiara Sky's Amulet, and mixing it with this nude color to create a more to create a more light lavender purple, which worked. So here we go with the color. I'm going to do 2 coats of this. Like I've said before, I like to take my finger and fully submerge it and leave it in there for a few seconds, 10 seconds, and that will super secure your powder to the resin. Alright, so after 2 coats of the color, I wipe my palms and I go right back in with the base, and I'm going to dip my finger into the clear, and this is going to encapsulate the color. So when I go in after the Seal Protect and file and buff, I'm going to be filing off the clear and not the color. Fun part, the stamping. I've been loving my clear jelly stampers, and I've been doing a lot of practicing because you do need some, or I need some practice at least. It's very technical and you have to work fast. So I'm going to practice a little bit with these tips before I actually do it on my nail. And I find after you do your second Seal Protect, put your first top coat on and then stamp your nails. So I find that more effective because I used to do it, Seal Protect, let the Seal Protect dry, stamp, then my top coat. But yes, I'm just practicing here with the tips before I actually go on my nail. I ended up choosing Clear Jelly Stamper Plate 39, the script, and I'm going to stamp 2 fingers. I'm using Hollow number 3 stamping polish. You have to work pretty fast for these products to pay off, but when you do, it's worth it. I love it, especially the hollow and the light purple. It's gorgeous. Let me know what you all think in the comments if I should have done maybe like a rose over it. I just didn't want to mess it up too much. I need more practice, but yes. I'm going to finish this manicure off with my favorite nourishing oil, and here's the final results. I am in love with this light purple. It's actually one of my favorite colors. I think I'm going to be doing this until the color runs out. Maybe not, because I don't want to bore you guys, but yeah, I really love it. Love it so much that I want to show you that the original Kiara Sky Amulet was completely different. It's more of a purple blue color, and I just didn't like it. So I'm really happy that the nude and that mixed well, because look at that, it's super blue, and look at the light purple that I created. It's so mauve-y and it's right up my alley. So yes, happy that I mixed the two and created this color, because I don't think I'll be using that amulet by itself. But yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I hope you all have a wonderful week. Let me know in the comments below what your favorite color is to do your manicure at home. Please be safe, and thank you for hanging out with me, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.